In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a looping video background in Wix Studio. If you're looking to add some dynamic flair to your website, a looping video background can really make an impact. Let's dive right into the process to help you create a seamless and compelling visual experience for your page. First, head over to the Wix website editor. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're on the editor page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you aren't already accustomed to it. On the left-hand side, you'll see various options to add and customize elements on your site. This is where we're going to start. Now, you need to click on Add Element. This button is your gateway to inserting new features onto your website, including the video background we'll be working with today. After selecting it, a menu will pop up with multiple elements to choose from. Next, if you have your own video that you'd like to use, you'll want to upload it. It's important to ensure the video is optimized for a web environment. Ideally, your video should be a short loop, muted, and in either MP4 or WebM format. Make sure it has a good HD resolution so it looks sharp and professional. If you don't have a custom video, don't worry. You can easily grab a video from the video and music library within the Wix editor. They offer a variety of free-to-use clips that you can browse through and select based on the vibe you're looking to achieve. Find one that aligns with your site's purpose and your personal taste. After choosing your video, click on the video box on your page. You'll now have the option to adjust its settings and apply various effects that enhance its appearance or align it with your website's aesthetic. Next, click on Animation and Effects. This is where you can really make your video stand out. Experiment with different animations to see what brings the most life to your page. You can choose subtle animations for a gentle effect, or more pronounced ones if you're looking to draw more attention. Finally, you simply need to enable the loop option. This setting ensures that your video seamlessly starts over as soon as it ends, creating an uninterrupted visual experience for your visitors. A properly looping video can engage users and keep them exploring your site for longer. And that's it! You've successfully added a looping video background to your Wix site. Remember, with any visual element, it's about ensuring it complements the rest of your content and resonates with your audience. Thanks for joining me today, and happy editing!